Alright guys, so one of the biggest flaws with the Mini is that this stock exhaust is absolutely horrible. It's all rusty, it's falling apart, it makes all these bad noises, it's leaking a little bit. So one of the things I've been wanting to do in this car since I bought it was put a new exhaust on, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. This new exhaust is essentially a straight pipe. It's got a little bit of a muffler in it that I'll show you guys in some of the clips. But anyways, it's pretty much a straight pipe. It's going to be much louder, and I'm just so excited to see what this thing sounds like. So without further ado, let's get to the install. Alright, here it comes. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Alright guys, you already know what's coming up. Whenever you take your stock exhaust off, if you don't start it while it's straight pipe, there's something wrong with you. So you guys can see that tiny little pea shooter way up there. That's the rest of the exhaust. And let's hear what this thing sounds like. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys that this car sounds horrible straight piped. It sounds like the most Ricer Civic sound you've ever heard in your entire life. That's how bad it is. Alright, so I just found out that this exhaust has a little connector on it already, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this off and see if by chance it might be the same size as what we need to connect the mid pipe to the axle back. One good old impact should be able to help out with this one. Like the other side's spinning. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the new exhaust installed on the Mini. Let's go ahead and see what this thing sounds like.